Welcome back, guys. In this episode, we use old dining room chairs and make front and rear seats. All of these supplies and materials we had laying around, so there was really no cost. In fact, the chairs are old dining room table chairs. Clunker Revival, where we bust our ass to take these vehicles from done to fun. And remember, if you like this content, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. First, we framed in the bottom of the chairs using inch by half inch. For the base of the chair, we used a 1/2 inch sheet cut to fit. After finishing the right rear seat, we use the same diagram to finish the left rear seat. The seats are held in by Velcro. I will leave a link in the description below of the Velcro I used. Onto the swinging captain chairs. For the swinging captain chairs, we used 3-inch tubes and sheet metal. Starting from the bottom of the captain chair, the build out looks like this. Sheet metal, 3-inch tube, sheet metal, captain swing arm, sheet metal to the bottom of the chair. For the swinging chair arms, I will leave a link in the description below. Pretty inexpensive from Amazon. Huge disclaimer here, I am not a professional welder. In this step, we cut the sheet metal to fit the underside of the chair. This sheet metal was so thick, it killed my cheap angle grinder. In fact, I had to go get a heavy-duty angle grinder from Harbor Freight. With the right tool, cutting the sheet metal was pretty easy. I did struggle with drilling the holes to fit the sheet metal to the underside of the chair. Once the base of the captain chair was built, we used these inserts to secure them. For these inserts, we'll leave a link in the description below. We'll end here for today with the captain chairs installed, and we'll see you next time where we tune the boat and get her ready for the water again. Remember, if you like this content, you can do 4 things: like, subscribe, leave a comment, or even check out our Teespring store. And thanks for watching.